Hi, I'm in conversation with three directors who've changed the landscape of the movies. This year has been particularly significant for all the three directors. Amar has skywed the box office with Stree 2. Amit Sharma has made a wonderful film called Maidan, and I urge you to watch it on the OTT platforms. Nikhil, of course, is Nikhil Advani, who's started his career with Kal Ho Na Ho, and his current OTT release, Freedom at Midnight, is winning a lot of raves. So please say hello to these wonderful gentlemen on the OTT show showcase. My first question to all three of you is, uh, if you had to revisit any one film you do differently, which would that be?
I think Chandni Chowk to China for sure. Because I think the first half of Chandni Chowk to China is brilliant. It's brilliant. It's just, I mean, anybody saw it. I even Rishi Kapoor. Rishi Kapoor called me and told me when I went to him for Patiala, he said, "You have made Chandni Chowk to China." I said, "Yeah." I said, "मैंने trailer देखा, बोला क्या कमाल की पिक्चर." मैं सबको बोला ये शो ले, ये पिक्चर शो ले, ये शो ले ना. And you made me look like a fool. Because you just, not fool, his choicest of words he said. He said, "You made me look like a see." So the first half was great, and the second half was just all over the place. Prayagraj called me up, who's the Prayagraj right for Manmohan Desai. And he called me and said, तुम लोग सब, सब नए बच्चे लोग, तुम लोग बोलते हो मंजी for copy मंजी वगैरह वगैरह. Manji used to write screenplay in mathematics. Setup, payback. आपके इंटरवल पॉइंट पे विलेन ने हीरो पे he has pissed on the hero, he urinated on the hero. In the climax, the hero has to urinate on the page. It's very clear. Payback होना चाहिए. Second half was rubbish. But every time I go now, Jitesh, anybody meets me says, "Oh, we love Chandni Chowk to China. We love Chandni Chowk to China." So many kids say we love Chandni Chowk. Z gave me some statistics. It's one of the biggest films on satellite, right? So I would just love to get it corrected. I would just love to have the second half much better.
Amit?
So I have only made 3 movies here. So Taver was the first film which I did, which was in 2014. So वो अभी मैं देखता हूँ तो मुझे लगता है आज की रेट के अंदर वो थोड़ा सा डेटेड लग रहा है कि आज की रेट के लिए. So I think that film I would say that
Like when you say dated, what about Tevar? The screen,
the story.
the actors?
Story. I'm talking about story because I feel it was a remake, and I did not make it like a remake because I told Boni sir that मैं इसमें जो भी मेरे को changes करने होंगे वो मैं करूँगा. So he said, yeah, go ahead and do what you feel like doing. So I think that one film, I can say that whether I'll make it also or not, I don't know because the story, I think it sounds dated today to me.
Yes.
मेरे भी इतने ही साल हुए हैं, 4-5 साल ही हुए हैं. उसमें 4 फिल्म हैं. जो सबसे भेड़िया बोल सकता हूँ, भेड़िया मे बी आई वुड हैव डन समथिंग. आई प्रीचीनेस थोड़ी कम करना चाहता हूँ अगर वापस मुझे जाके कुछ करना पड़ा तो. और ट्रीटमेंट वाइज मे बी क्लाइमैक्स में एक विलेन लेके आना चाहिए था मुझे, जो मुझे लगा कि विलेन सेल्फ खुद ही नेचर ही विलेन है, जो लोग नहीं समझ में आया. मुझे लगा कि वो नहीं होना चाहिए था. मे बी देयर हैज़ टू बी अ पर्सन जिसके साथ लड़ाई होती है. तो वो एक चीज़ है, अगर चारों में पूछे तो वो एक चीज़ है जो चेंज करना चाहूँ.
So after a hard day's work, after an intense day's work, how is there do you have like a favorite corner in your house that you unwind? Is there something that you do? Like, do you have a favorite room? Do you have a favorite? Do you do it up? Is there something that adds your own touch to that room in your house? Something that you do, something that is a part of your personality.
Yeah, I have a favorite corner. This is right next to my vinyls. I put on Miles Davis. I get a nice glass of nobody, and for people know, मतलब 1 घंटे के लिए मुझे disturb मत करो. Chill out.
When is this me time?
Meet every day. Every day after, मतलब we are not, whether we are shooting or not, we are हमारा चल रहा है यार. Something or the other is happening. Edit चल रहा है, script चल रहा है. Something or the other is happening. Something is not in most cases, something or the other is not working out. Right? And we have to figure out, okay, so I thought it like this, but अभी मुझे ऐसा करना पड़ेगा. So yeah, just chill out, that kind of thing. My dog is around with me. Yeah.
Do you have like a favorite corner in the house?
I think everybody has that one corner in the house. हर किसी का है वो. But I actually, more than Bombay, I like my Goa home, where it's, and when my son is there with me, it's like something else. So I hope that kind of a life I get every day. So जो बॉम्बे में possible नहीं है. So that's so.
You?
सो मैंने हमेशा से होता था कि बड़ा टीवी लेना है, बड़ा टीवी लेना है और आप अकेले बैठ के वो देख सको, लोग जो देखना है. तमाम अभी घर जो लिया है उसमें मैंने प्रोजेक्टर लगाया है बड़ा 100 इंच का, उससे भी बड़ा है कुछ. तो मुझे वो उसके सामने बैठ के रूम अंधेरा करके एंड ऑब्वियसली कुछ हाथ में लेके एंड देन जो देखना है देखो, जो सर्व करना है करो. और वो कॉर्नर मुझे अंधेरा रूम विथ मी एंड दैट, मे बी वो चल भी नहीं रहा है बट आप सोफे पे बैठे हुए आप सोच रहे हो वो. और उससे भी बेटर मेरा घर की बात ना करें अगर कुछ हो तो मुझे comfy bed होना is very important when you want to go and sleep, and before sleeping you are just thinking कि कब नींद आएगी, and उस बीच का जो टाइम पीरियड होता है that is the best time I think, मुझे लगता है.
Although you guys travel so much, you know.
Yeah.
So is there has there been stuff like any part of the world you want to recreate in your home? Knickknacks you pick up. ऐसा कभी हुआ है? You know, when you travel, you do stuff for your home.
Yeah, I mean, I reach any part of any part of the world, any city. The first thing I go online is just check कि मतलब vinyl store कहाँ है और where can I pick up some kind of rare vinyl on some jazz or some Indian classical or some, I mean, 80s Britpop, मतलब Depeche Mode or some kind of, you know, just find some Stevie Wonder or something. I just go, for me, I spend a lot of time when I go into the nice, great, you know, it's just, you get the feeling of, or bookstores, right? You know, it's just lovely. I mean, so I mean.
But you don't have like a concept of a dream, like I want to have this in my house besides your vinyl. Is
I
there-
have everything that I wanted in my house. I've got right now.
Which you picked up.
Yeah, which I saw. I saw floor to ceiling bookshelf. Right, I love it. Floor to ceiling bookshelf, and it's filled with like 10,000 books.
Oh, wow.
And just books, because even now मतलब Amazon से मैं खरीदता हूँ, book खरीदता हूँ, because I don't, I mean, I've got a Kindle, but it's just the fun of being able to turn a page and this thing, you feel it, and also it's just वो थोड़ा old school एक feel है वो. Yeah, so I used to see that in like really, you know, Scorsese के घर में भी है ऐसा और इसके घर में भी ऐसा है kind of thing. So I put my house is I'm very proud of my. You come to my house and try and put a glass down without a coaster, you'll get a big pasting from me.
Wherever I go, I pick up stuff for home. Like in Goa house, I have a table, which is like 4x4 and glass top, and it's openable. So wherever I go, I just pick up something and I just put it over there inside it. कि ये वहाँ से था, ये वहाँ से था, ये वहाँ से था, ये वहाँ से था. And I think वो बहुत पहले से ही, I think when you, because I'm from Delhi, and when you come from some other city and you want to make your home in some other city, you have that kind of a thing of कि मुझे अपने घर के अंदर ये भी चाहिए, मुझे अपने घर के अंदर वो भी चाहिए, मुझे ऐसा भी बनाना है, मुझे वैसा भी बनाना है. तो आप जहाँ भी जाते हो आपको कुछ दिखता है, just pick it up. That, you know, this is, you're not planning for that. I enter a artifact shop or I enter
sets.
I'm not planning कि मैं ये खरीदूँ, ये मेरे को चाहिए. You just enter blank. Oh, I like this. I like this. I like this. So that's what I enjoy that. I love it. I just love it. You can call me shopaholic also.
Okay. Sir,
हाँ मेरा भी ये सबका है. कोई कहीं भी जाता है कुछ ना कुछ तो लेके आता ही है अपनी. क्रॉकरी भी मुझे बहुत पसंद है. कहीं गए हैं तो वहाँ का कोई ग्लास, जैसे इटली में वो एक प्लेट में कितनी अच्छी प्लेट है, तो वो तो सभी करते हैं. बट मुझे लगता है कि घर में कहीं ना कहीं मुझे एक्सपीरियंस लेने के लिए शहर का खाना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. आई एम वेरी मतलब फॉन्ड ऑफ फूड और फॉन्ड ऑफ अलग अलग खाना. तो किसी ना किसी तरीके से कुछ ना कुछ मैं वहाँ से उसकी एक रेसिपी चुरा के लाता हूँ उस जगह की. एंड वो बोलता हूँ कि वो कभी बनाने को मिले, या क्योंकि बहुत चीज़ें और एकदम देसी जगह पे जाके खाना, तो मुझे वो ज़्यादा पसंद है. और बाकी जो छोटी छोटी चीज़ें आप लेते हो क्योंकि घर बना रहे हो, तो आपको लगता है कि हाँ ये भी होना चाहिए, वो भी होना चाहिए। वो तो होता ही है, क्योंकि कोई पेंटिंग हो गई, कोई कुछ हो गया, कोई छोटी ऐसा अपने कॉर्नर पे अपने बुक शेल्फ में रख दिया, वो सब तो है ही आपका। बट मुझे फूड बहुत फैसिनेट करता है, कहीं भी जाता हूँ तो।
Give me an example of a film where there was an intense scene and how you, three of you, I mean, the kind of versatile genres all of you do. Is there one intense scene that you prepared for or were unprepared for? Is there any kind of preparation that went into it?
So because I said I don't make storyboards, and Maidan, when I got the script, the screenplay script, I read the first match, which says India lost from South Africa, South Korea, and the score was 2-0. So ऐसे स्क्रीन प्ले कहाँ है, इसको करना कैसे है, आगे तो लिख। तो बोला मैं कैसे लिखूंगा ये चीज़, हाउ डू आई राइट दिस। सो shooting football was something which was like I had never shot.
But those sequences were amazing.
I had never shot football. I only had one thing in my mind that कि मुझको, हमने हमेशा फुटबॉल ऑडियंस के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखा, मतलब वही कैमरा जो ऑडियंस पे खड़ा रहता है ऐसे ऐसे करके आपको फुटबॉल दिखाता है, या आपको स्लो मोशन शॉट्स के लिए कुछ एक कैमरा जो ग्राउंड पे रहता है, यू नो, अंदर वो आपको स्लो मोशन के उसको दिखा देता है। आई एक्चुअली वांटेड टू, दिस थिंग वाज embedded in my head that, you know, I want to be with my players. I want to see their sweat. I actually want to feel them when they are running. I want to feel their breath when they are भाग रहे हैं और आ रहा है, वो मेरे को सुनाई देना चाहिए। और मुझको स्टेडियम देखना है from the point of view of these players, क्योंकि वो हम लोगों ने कभी नहीं देखा। And so that was the clarity in my head, and but I did not know how to do it. Do we have that kind of equipment in India? We invented that kind of equipment. We actually got into the thing of core of that, you know, इसको इस shot को करेंगे कैसे? How do I run with the player? I can't put a ATV on my grass. I can't like that ATV, it will spoil my grass. I cannot get this kind of a speed on a Jimmy Jib. I cannot get this kind of speed on a Steadicam. Even Ronin will not, you know. So we actually, what all we did, we got this guy who was actually a parkour guy, जो बहुत जोर के भागता, तेज भागता था, and और हम लोगों ने what we put the camera on लोगों ने पूछा क्या, what equipment did you use? So if I tell you, it was the boom rods. We just put the boom rods on, we just stuck the camera, and these two guys were running with the players, and ये इतना जोर से भागते थे कि प्लेयर भी पीछे छूट जाता था। and the control was outside our ground. I said I want to run with the football. My VFX supervisor came and he said, "Oh, shoot everything telly, you know." I said, "Why?" "I want the background to be out of focus." I said, "Why?" "I'm going to put 3D people." I said, "Fuck off. I don't want 3D people." So I said, "I will give you tiles of people." So no person who doesn't make storyboards, person who doesn't write your shots. So I got introduced to something called playbook, because all the moves were choreographed. So वो choreography करने में, I think that was the thing that which actually was the most difficult part of filming of Maidan, but it was so much fun. You said ना कि वो एक शिवर आता है, मुझे अभी भी आता है। मेरे को शूट पे पहुंचने से पहले वो गाड़ी के अंदर आता है कि अभी शूट क्या करने वाला हूँ, what am I going to shoot?
Those are the best days. Those are the best days.
You know,
actually.
क्या शूट क्या करने वाला हूँ अभी मैं,
You are just discovering
क्या शॉट
yourself.
क्या पहला शॉट क्या लेने वाला हूँ, because you actually don't know. You are actually, my planning is happening, my actual planning happens from the time when I leave in my car to the studio. उस समय दिमाग में वो प्लानिंग शुरू होती है. So I think football, I wanted to shoot, there was no reference film in my head that मुझे फुटबॉल वैसा शूट करना, क्योंकि मुझे कुछ अच्छा इतना कुछ दिख ही नहीं रहा था। जो भी हम लोगों ने देखा, I was not satisfied from inside. I said, I want to shoot football in this way. This is the way I want to shoot football. So I got this one DOP from Russia. What a guy!
He shot the full film?
No, he didn't shoot the whole film. I actually had Tushar shot the
Kanti
whole
shot.
film. Tushar Kanti, right?
Damn good. But who choreographed those football sequences?
So there was no choreographer for us because we got one guy who had worked on Chak De, but
He worked on me with me also, Patiala also.
what's his name?
Rob.
Rob. So, but I realized that Rob का
He's an American, yeah.
पूरा
How will he
use नहीं हो पाएगा यहाँ पर. I realized on the first day of shoot when we were shooting the practice in the game जब हम लोग कुछ practice matches भी थे उसके अंदर फिल्म के अंदर तो मेरे को वहाँ realize हो गया था सर ये नहीं हो पाएगा. So Tushar shot some part of football. There was another guy from Australia. He shot some part, and then I got this guy from Russia, and he just asked me one thing. He said, "Are you with me?" I said, "For what?" You tell me for what. He said, "I'll give you 3 takes of every shot. Don't ask for the 4th take." I said, "Why?" He said, "No, I will give you 3 takes. Don't ask for the 4th take." I said, "I will not move forward till I get the
Take right.
right take." Because we don't know from where, which angle हम लोग कहाँ से क्या shoot उठाएंगे. So I think football was one thing which was very, very difficult to shoot. And we chose the best season to shoot football, which was April, May. And COVID used to come back, come in, come back, come in.
Where did you shoot?
So I shot in Rome, I shot in Australia, I shot in Jakarta, and I shot in so these are the places. Helsinki. I chose to not go by flight, and I chose that I will go by boat to these places. So every day I used to take the boat, reach Jakarta, and used to come back. It was all in Mud Island. All the stadiums.
All the stadiums of Mud
All
Island.
the stadiums are VFX.
Yeah.
The ground was we curated one ground.
Right
Which
next to
is-
where we had put that. Yeah.
We took that 19-acre land. और उसके अंदर हम लोगों ने 9 महीने लगा के ground curate किया. The person who has curated Wankhede, he curated the ground for us. And that set was standing for about 3 years because we couldn't complete the shoot because of the COVID, coming in, coming out, coming in, coming out. So all the football matches, Australia, Rome, Jakarta, Helsinki, everything is shot over there. And then I've created those sets on top.
Also, all three of you have worked with wonderful mentors. I mean, you worked with Rajkumar Gupta, you worked with Onir, you worked with Pradeep Da, and you, of course, have assisted Karan Johar and Aditya Chopra. So, my question is, what is the best takeaway from your mentors and the thing that you won't do that they did?
What is the best takeaway? I think that just the emotional scale that both Karan and Adi are. I mean, I remember watching Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge. I was in Sarita is Savita or Sarita cinema in Delhi. I was sitting and watching it, and with who's now my wife.
Sapna.
Huh?
Sapna.
Sapna. And I was sitting and watching over there, and I said that the second half में तो ये rubbish करने वाला है. He got the second half was better than the first half, right? I mean, and they both are. Both people say that they are so similar, they are very different as filmmakers. I think Karan loves to have people close to him, so everything's close up, mid shot, close up, mid shot, and he goes really wide for drama. While Adi is opposite, right? He wants nobody coming close to him, so everything is always mid, and he goes really close for a dramatic this thing. So he's very, very different.
That's because Adi dislikes people.
Yeah, he's not dislike. He's suspicious of everybody. I wouldn't say he dislikes people. He loves his group of people that he is really close to. He's really, really close to those people, And but he's very suspicious of everybody else, right? Because he just feels that I don't need them. मुझे नहीं चाहिए. मैं अपने यशराज फिल्म में रहूँगा. कोई ये नहीं बाहर नहीं आएगा. Which is good for me because he's very. I mean, whenever I knock on his door, he opens it. But I think that, and the one thing which is, I think which I've tried to bring into MA also, and that's why when I called up Rani after 20 years and told her I want you to do Mrs. Chatterjee, Mrs. Chatterjee was in Norway, and she said, 9 साल के लिए मैंने यशराज में ही काम किया, you know. And so you have to understand, I'm used to being, you know, Mrs. Yashraj, right? So I said, Rani, I've learned everything from them. So that's the most important thing. The way Dharma and Yashraj work with people, right? And the way they treat their people, right? Yashji would go to the airport to pick up Shah Rukh Khan and the Spot Boys. You know, it's very important. I think that is very important. That's something that this industry has forgotten. And that is very, that culture is very big. That's my big takeaway. Being now my own production company, and I do that all the time.
Deal with people.
Yeah.
Like we said, sabko sambhal.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Yes.
So, Dada, he's my God, my guru. And so, what I actually got from him was that, you know, he had one thing, which was, you know, if you can't convince anybody, confuse them. So, and I actually made that my nara. You know, if I can't confuse you, if I can't convince you, confuse them. उनका एक और था, if you can't confuse them, पैरों पे लेट जाओ. लेकिन बनाओ वो जो तुमको बनाना है. Okay, make what you want to make. Don't just say yes to anything what you. If you're not convinced by some script, don't make it. Rather say no than make something which you really don't want to make. So the kind of satisfaction you will get from your own work when you see it again, and when people see it and appreciate, I think that satisfaction is something which I actually learned from him, because he used to dive to take even one shot. वो एक shot लेने के लिए he would just climb onto anything to get that one shot. So I think that is something which I learned from him. So that's my takeaway from him. What I did not like from as in his filmmaking was, I'm no one to say that, because he made everything so beautiful and wonderful. He always used to make storyboards, and I don't make storyboards at all, because मेरे से डब्बों में पिक्चर बनती नहीं है. You know, हाथ के बनाए हुए हैं, because he was an artist. तो वो खुद ही अपने storyboards वगैरह draw करते. He used to make storyboards in a way that he would even draw पीछे background में which artifacts he want, you know, which prop he wants. But for me, it is like I don't even write my shots, not even for ad films or for feature films. I think with emotion.
I mean, I'm guessing for Badhai Ho, you had a screenplay and everything.
Yeah, screenplay, dialogues, everything I have, but I don't write my shots. I don't make storyboards. I don't. So I would rather go to the set and explore, you know, with my actors, with my DOP, with myself, and because वो एक acting का कीड़ा था कहीं ना कहीं पे, तो मैं actors को बुलाने से पहले I would act for Dadi, act for the main character, act for the Ramu also, act for everybody. कहाँ से कौन क्या आ रहा है, कौन कहाँ बैठा हुआ. So I think that's what I enjoy, and that's what he never used to do. He used to just sit and keep making ये ऐसा ही होगा, ऐसा ही होगा.
Dada, incidentally, he means Pradeep Sarkar for those who came in late.
So he was a wonderful, and he had so much of clarity that, you know, so you can say lack of clarity in us, in me, but I think that is something which gives me the power of thinking on set, which is spontaneous. I use this word called spontaneous. That's what gives me a lot of happiness.
Yeah, I also don't do short breakdown.
Yeah.
I don't do short. I used to do a lot, because being a first AD and being associate or whatever, you have to do, and you want to get through the day, right? ये scene में वगैरह. And then I was shooting with Irfan, and first day of shooting, I wanted to impress Irfan Khan. Coming from Life of Pi से आ रहा था वगैरह, sitting over there, and I'm sitting, and he's lying down, and Sriswara is lying down with him. I said, Irfan भाई इधर से shoot करनी, ये line यहाँ से लेंगे, फिर I'll cut wide over, ये बाहर से मैं trolley करने वाला हूँ. And he looked at me and he said, यार तूने बहुत अच्छी script लिखी है, तुषार बहुत अच्छा कैमरामैन है, मैं बहुत अच्छा एक्टर हूँ. हाँ, हम लोग करते हैं ना, हम लोग कुछ करते हैं, तू देख लेगा, मॉनिटर पे बैठ के मजे लूट. I love the word मजे लूट. He was like, and that became my mantra now. I enter Go for Recce's. I'm out of the Recce in 15-20 minutes. Yeah, great. It's a good place and all. We'll shoot.
I actually don't shoot with first ladies who ask me for a short breakdown. कि अच्छा इसका storyboard बना ले, इसका short breakdown. तुम निकल जाओ किसी और को लेके.
No, because you also come from advertising where everything's so detailed, no?
Yes.
No, you have to show story. Sometimes in PPMs and all, you have to show storyboard.
No storyboard.
Yeah.
No storyboard.
He can do that.
No storyboard.
Otherwise,
I
in
don't
PPM
show storyboard.
But that's an art, huh?
Yeah.
That's quite an art.
No, also because you're so good at it. So I mean, the people have.
Yeah, how many ads have you made? 1,000?
More than 6,000.
Yeah?
I made 6.
I did 86 commercials in 1 year.
Wow.
After Kalona, you're asking me what the abhi tera brand ye change. We were talking about upstairs.
Yeah.
Sunil Manchanda came to me and said, "Boss, paise banane hai."
I know. I used to.
I should do Luxor pen, Relaxo chappal. What they would come to me, Mr. Bachchan is available for 4 hours. 4 का commercial करना है. Tuck. I was just shoot that. Then rest of 3 days with other people. It was mad. It's crazy.
आप बताएं.
देखिए मेरा काफ़ी ऑन एयर के साथ स्टार्ट किया था राजकुमार गुप्ता के साथ, आमिर, फिर उनके साथ मैंने नो वन किल जेसिका, गनचक्कर, ऑन एयर के साथ आई एम, सॉरी भाई. तो दोनों बहुत ही अलग फिल्म मेकर्स हैं, मतलब ऑन एयर एकदम अलग हैं और ये राजकुमार गुप्ता एकदम अलग. फिर माजिद मजीदी भी थे उसमें. तो मैंने किया है 3-4 लोगों के साथ. बट ऑन एयर के साथ जब मैं काम करता था तो मुझे लगा कि ऐसा इंसान होना इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यू नो, there is no chal, there is no kapat. He is so pure when he is on set, when he is talking to people. I think that's his best quality which I have taken, you know. And also the emotion of the way he starts explaining to the actors कि this is the backstory of the वो. राजकुमार सर के साथ मेरा वैसा वाला था कि he is so passionate when he is on set. He is like this is my set. Now अगर पिक्चर बनाने के लिए अगर I have to किसी को किल मारना भी है तो यू हैव टू डू दैट बिकॉज दैट्स. हाँ, तो मैंने उनसे कहीं ना कहीं मारना नहीं सीखा, बट टू द पैशन जो था ना सेट में घुसने के बाद, आई थिंक आई लर्न दोज थिंग फ्रॉम देम. सेम थिंग विद माजिद मजीदी. उनका भी एक अलग स्टाइल था काम करने का. ही वेरी डिफरेंट पर्सन आउटसाइड द सेट एंड ऑन सेट. सो मैंने उन सबसे पैशन सीखा है कि इतने एज आने के होने के बाद भी माजिद मजीदी से कि वो ही इज स्टिल पैशनेट अबाउट मेकिंग फिल्म्स. सो आई थिंक वो पैशन जगा के रखना इज समथिंग विच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस. क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि आप सेट पे पहुंचे और आपका हाँ ठीक है रोज का है या चलो कर लेते हैं. नौकरी वाला
वो कभी आपको
अभी तक तो नहीं आया है. तो वो
नौकरी वाला फील है उस दिन घर बैठ जाना.
हाँ. सो मैं तो एक दिन पहले सेट में पहुंचने से पहले बहुत डरता हूँ. अब आज भी मतलब मुझे बहुत डर लगता है. आज मैं कैसे कंप्लीट करूँगा, आज मैं क्या नया कुछ करूँगा, आज जो लिखा है ठीक है, इसके अलावा क्या करूँगा. और पूरा दिन जब निकलता है डर धक धक होती है. जब फर्स्ट एडी जैसे हम लोग जाते थे ना कि सेट पे एज एन एडी पहुंचे, तो वही धक अभी भी होती है. बट कहीं ना कहीं मैं अभी भी सेट का माहौल जो मैं नहीं करना चाहूँगा, बाकी फिल्म मेकर्स ने जो किया है वो मैं उनसे सिर्फ इतना सीखना चाहूँगा कि मुझे ना सेट पे माहौल जो है सेट का वो टेंस नहीं रखना होता है. मुझे हमेशा ऐसा होता है कि सारी यूनिट को एक साथ रखो. तो हम लोग गाने बजाते हैं, हम लोग गाने से शुरुआत करते हैं. बीच में अगर हम लोग थोड़ा ऐसे डल मोमेंट हुआ है कि कुछ तो हुआ, एक्शन डायरेक्टर ने कुछ तोड़ दिया या वो चिल्ला रहा है, ये हो रहा है वो हो रहा है, देन यू नो कि सबके थोड़े मूड डाउन है, प्ले सम 90s सॉन्ग, रैंक, और किसी को बोलो नाचने को, किसी को बोलो, यू नीड टू मेक देम
pump up the
वो. तो दैट इज व्हाट आई हैव लर्न कि बिगिन एज अ फर्स्ट ईडी आई वाज ऑलवेज लाइक इतना टेंशन क्यों कर दिया सेट में. हम तो मजे करने आते हैं ना, फिल्म बनाने आते हैं तो मजे करने आते हैं. डायरेक्टर का मूड खराब है, डायरेक्टर ऐसे घूम रहा है, एंड वो सब कुछ आपके ऊपर जा रहा है, पूरी यूनिट के ऊपर. एक्टर भी वैसा मूड में आ रहा है और ऊपर से कॉमेडी बना रहे हैं. तो यू नो तो वो एक चीज है जो मैंने सीखना चाहता
तुझे मेरे सेट पे कभी आना नहीं.
हूँ.
John, I remember John asking my first AD, चिल्ला क्यों रहा है इतना? Because I don't shout, he'll shout. So, see, he's quiet.
That's interesting, which also leads me to my next question. How do you handle actors? I mean, is there an advice you'd give a new director in handling actors? I mean, you work with...
You have to, when you're working with actors, is great, right? In the sense that because they bought into the script, they've done their workshop, they've done their their preparation. They've come. They know exactly. They've graphed their character. So basically, you have to let them go. Like what Amit was saying, you will let them go, and when you feel that thoda you have to just rein them back, right? That kind of thing. As far as the stars are concerned, people ask me this question all the time: how do you work with everybody? I work with everybody right at the top. From Shah Rukh Khan and Amitabh Bachchan. So for me, there was a time how you were, I mean, Jitesh, 7 makeup vans, not for the same person, different 7 makeup vans.
The sets were crazy.
Yeah, 7. Kabhi Khushi Kabhi 7 makeup vans, right? And we are shooting Bole Chodiya. We are shooting the sequence where all of them are there. I'm wondering why nobody is coming. Kiran Devan has lit up the set as if मतलब एक कुछ मतलब दिवाली है, right? Everybody is saying कोई आ नहीं रहा है. My AD is this thing. So I went, and I asked. Kajal said, "Shot is ready." He says, "Has Shah Rukh come?" I said, "No, okay. Tell him to come. I'll come." I go to Shah Rukh. Has Hrithik come? Tell him to come. Then I'll come. I go to Hrithik. Has Bebo come? Bebo will come. Has Jayaji come? Jayaji. Has Old Man come? No. Nobody. So what I told, I said, Jayaji, I'm standing outside your van. I'm putting 6 other ADs outside the van. We are on a walkie. You step out. I promise you, everybody will step out. That's how we used to do it. And then boom, everybody.
This is when
come
you were an AD.
Yeah, I was. I mean, and Karan had fainted.
Yeah.
He had fainted. Right? He's shouting on the walkie and looking at the monitor. Tell Bebo, come left.
But I have to tell you, it was the easiest, loveliest set. With the biggest stars in the country, it was the most smoothest film set I've ever been to. I'm talking about Bole Chodiya.
Yeah, it was incredible. In this sense, they are star. ये है, टंटे है. But they once they're there, they're like, oh, you're looking so lovely. This, that, ये सब चलता था यार. Madness it was. सब बंगाली में बात कर रहे, जया जी और काजल बंगाली में बात कर रहे, अमिताभ बच्चन सिंह. It was crazy. So I don't have any issues. I just said, listen, boss. मैंने सलमान के साथ काम किया है यार. क्या है, कुछ नहीं है. There is no this thing, no stress.
But I feel that if you give them the correct logic, to the stars, to the actors. This is what I have seen, and I have literally. This is how I have managed. It's if you have the convincing power, if your logic is clear in your head, of कई दफ़ा ऐसा होता है ना कि एक्टर पूछता है कि यार why am I doing this? If you answer that question over there, he will follow it. You have to convince that actor.
I agree with you.
And if you have convinced that actor, he will do anything for you. Any actor, you say हम लोग analogy के अंदर बोल रहे हैं actor and star, but दोनों same ही है. The point is, this is like I was shooting an ad long time back. So my DOP he got to know that I'm shooting with Amir sir. So he said, "अरे say no, मना कर दे." मैंने बोला क्यों मना कर दूँ? अरे आमिर खान के साथ शूट करने को मिल रहा है. तो he said, नहीं, he will not let you direct. He will come and start directing. I said, but why? ऐसे क्यों होगा? So I said, if I have the right answers for his questions, he will 100% come and ask question. If I have the right answer, I'll convince him. He said, तू मरेगा, तू पक्का मरेगा. So I went to meet him for the first time in his house, and there was this one addition he had done in that ad कि उसका end जो था वो change कर दिया था. तो जब original script मेरे पास में आई थी कुछ और end था. So I said, नहीं, but original was better. So client told me, no, this is Amir's addition. We cannot change it. So I said, but let me say my thing. So I went and narrated the script to him. He said, वो end change कर दिया. I said, हाँ sir. He said, why? I said, ये घड़ी की फिल्म है, गाड़ी की ज़्यादा लग रही है. Now think about it. So he said, narrate it to me again. So I narrated the film again. He said, yeah, you're right. You're absolutely right. No, go back. Original. We'll go with that. On shoot, it was so amazing. Like, again, it was a difficult shoot. A lot of VFX, other things were also there. But I feel if you have the right answer for the actor, see, because they are also very, very intelligent. They are very intelligent people. Okay, they have spent all their life in the industry. With one answer, they will know कि तुमको कितना आता है. तब आपको घुमाएंगे.
Correct. I totally agree.
So if you are clear, they will follow you.
And it's a simple.
That's how I have managed.
They are not looking for some complicated answer. No? Simple. Shah Rukh asked me when he's in Kalona, he finds out that Preeti has found out, and he's in the hospital bed, right? And he removes everything, and then I said, Shah, I want you to run across Manhattan. I just had a heart attack. I said, Shah Rukh, you look great when you're running in 48 frames. Run. Let's go. That's it. Nothing else. I said, you look great. कुछ होता है मैं you ran in 48 frames. It was great. अंजलि चिल्ला के तू भाग रहा है. कभी खुशी कभी गम या हेलीकॉप्टर पीछे है. I want one shot where you are running in 48 frames. You look great. Women go mad. Shoot. Simple answer. Nothing else. No complication.
Yeah.
हाँ, so मुझे लगता है कि स्टार्स हों, एक्टर्स हों, जो भी है ना, यू नीड टू मेक देम पार्ट ऑफ योर फिल्म. उनको ना ओनरशिप देनी चाहिए. जैसे मैंने 4 फिल्म करी है, तो ऐसा अगर आपने उनके साथ किसी ना किसी तरीके से एक बोला कि यू आर नॉट, उनको अगर आपने शो ऑफ किया एज अ डायरेक्टर, या आप वो चीज़ नहीं कर रहे हो, या आपका अपना स्टाइल है, देन दे विल स्टार्ट क्वेश्चनिंग सो मच. आई एम गिविंग एग्जाम्पल ऑफ वरुण. वी वर शूटिंग इन अरुणाचल प्रदेश, जहाँ पे स्टार टैंट्रम्स की बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग. स्क्रिप्ट में तो बाद में आना है, पहले तो टैंट्रम्स, जो आपका जो सवाल था वो टैंट्रम्स का था. सो मुझे लगा श्रद्धा, मैं चंदेरी में शूट कर रहे हैं, स्त्री वरुण के साथ कर रहे हैं अरुणाचल के 0 में, जहाँ होटल्स ही नहीं है. अब वहाँ पे उसको बोला, वरुण देखो ऐसा जंगल है, ऐसा जंगल कहीं मिलेगा नहीं, जंगल की कहानी है, आप वो लोग कहाँ करें. तो ही इज गिविंग एग्जाम्पल ऑफ मनाली, ये वो. मैंने कहा उसमें ये नहीं है, बहुत जगह देखा है. यू नीड टू मेक देम पार्ट ऑफ योर फिल्म एज अ, कि कहाँ सोचते हो. मुझे लगता है ये दुनिया यहाँ करना पड़ेगा, बट एक प्रॉब्लम है यार, वहाँ पे होटल नहीं है. अरे नहीं क्या होगा उसमें, नहा लेंगे, कुछ क्या है उसमें, होगा देखा जाएगा. एंड वहाँ पे सच में होटल्स नहीं है, बाल्टी से नहाना है आपको ऐसे करके, वो भी गर्म पानी नीचे से आएगा, यू नो, वैसे वाला जगह. सेम चीज विद श्रद्धा इन स्त्री. सो यू नीड टू मेक देम पार्ट ऑफ योर फिल्म, कि हम लोग कुछ करने जा रहे हैं, हम लोग पिकनिक मनाने जा रहे हैं, और उससे बना के हम लोग सब एक साथ आएंगे. देन दे आर, कोई टेंट्रम्स नहीं होता. वरुण डब्बा लेके जंगल में भी गया बेचारा, क्योंकि ऐसी जगह पे हम लोग जा नहीं सकते थे करने के लिए. तो ही इज, और जहां पे आपने अपने टेंट्रम दिखाना चला, नो इतने बजे हैं, कॉल हिम, एंड देन तब तुमको वो भी दिखाएंगे. यू नो, कंपटीशन जब भी आता है ना. और रही बात आपकी क्रिएटिव डिफरेंस जो होते हैं, उसके लिए तो आपको एज अ डायरेक्टर यू हैव टू बी answerable. You have to convince him.
Like
yeah. Sometimes they convince you with a logical answer. Sometimes ऐसा भी होता है कि ऐसा hard and fast rule नहीं कि आपने बहुत दिन तक सोचा, बट वो कुछ नया बोल देगा, नया कुछ कर देगा. अगर उसका इंटेंशन है फिल्म करेक्ट करने का, अगर उसका इंटेंशन एक्टर का है कि सिर्फ मेरा कैरेक्टर इससे अच्छा होता है, तब उसकी सुनना नहीं चाहिए मुझे लगता है. अगर वो बोलता है कि इस चीज से हमारी फिल्म इतनी, तुम्हारी भी नहीं, हमारी फिल्म ये करेगी, देन तुम सोच सकते हो कि अच्छा हाँ, ये फिल्म की बात कर रहे हैं, पर्सनल एजेंडा नहीं है. तो बहुत सारे एक्टर्स का जब मैं देखता हूँ, उनका मोस्टली, मेरी खुद की फिल्म में अगर कैरेक्टर कोई मर गया है, कैरेक्टर उसके बाद नहीं, तो उसके आगे की स्क्रिप्ट भी नहीं पढ़ते. तो मैं बोला ये क्या है, फिर उनको बोलते हैं नहीं उसके बाद ये होता है, क्योंकि ये होता है तुम आखिरी में आते हो, तो फिर पढ़ाना पड़ता है. देख, उसको समझाना पड़ता है, तू अभी स्टार वाला मत बना, नॉर्मल पढ़ो पूरा. हाँ मैं पढ़ता हूँ ना. एंड देन you have to make them part of your film, as in कि तेरी फिल्म है ये, अब बता क्या करना है.
Do you feel pressure to cast a particular person because, okay, maybe your last 2 films have not done well, and you know, because this person sells, so somewhere how do you balance your own truth?
I wouldn't go ahead. No? I'm sorry, I wouldn't go ahead if the role is not suiting that person. For now, while making मैदान, I realized that ये जो रोल है, ये अजय सर के अलावा कोई कर ही नहीं सकता. I'm telling you, it is. और शूटिंग शुरू होने के पहले I was little worried in terms of because I had never worked with Ajay sir. He was already casted when I came on the film. So I wanted one meeting with him, that you know, कि I want to tell him who Saeed Abdul Rahim is, because मेरे दिमाग में सिंघम का ही एक वो है, you know, एक इमेज है, because everybody knows, like, you know, Singham is the image before मैदान started. मैदान I'm talking about just 5.5 years back.
2019, before
2019, yeah. So I said, I have to tell him that, ये है मेरे दिमाग में. And when I met him after completing the whole script, he said, what is there in your mind, you tell me. So I narrated the script to him, not like dialogue narration, but just read out that whole story to him. And I said, I think sir, आपको exercise करनी बंद करनी पड़ेगी. आप Saeed Abdul Rahim is a kind of guy like this, and he's always like this, no? Ajay sir is always, like that.
Oh, that body language he did.
You have no idea that this man transformed himself from being, in my head, Singham to Saeed Abdul Rahim. So while shooting with him, I realized, on day one, I realized that ये आदमी से बेहतर कोई ये रोल नहीं कर सकता था. The kind of, because I said, you have to wear these kind of trousers, this is the body language. He used to come on set standing like this. So I used to stand by. My first AD would say stand by. He would just go like this. Yeah. Okay. So casting the right person for your film is more important than casting a star. If you're making film for your own satisfaction, yes. If you're making film for money, then yes, 100%, you can cast anybody. But you need to cast the right person for that a particular role. So that's what I feel.
I will ask you this question after your 10th film.
Done.
Yeah, Amar.
सेम नो बिल्कुल भी नहीं. इंस्टाग्राम फॉलोअर्स इतने हैं तो इसको ले लो, ऐसा है तो इसको
पर
ले लो.
आपको किसी ने बोला है कि इसके इंस्टाग्राम फॉलोअर्स इतने हैं?
नहीं बोलते हैं, हाँ सब बोलते हैं. इवन कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स बोलते हैं सर इसको ले लो. ये ना, मैं प्राइमरी कैरेक्टर्स की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं सेकेंडरी कैरेक्टर्स, मतलब सेकेंडरी क्या, मतलब जो बाकी वो पूरी कास्ट होती है उसमें भी मैं फॉलो नहीं हूँ, देखता नहीं हूँ कि ये वाला छोटा सा कैरेक्टर है बट ये इसको आप ले लो, इसके ना 2 मिलियन या इतने मिलियन या 10 मिलियन, इसको ले लो, इससे ये हो जाएगा. दिखने में तो बिल्कुल ही अलग कैरेक्टर ही नहीं है, फिर क्या बोल रहे हो? नहीं वो तो चलेगा, बिल्कुल भी नहीं. सो एज अ फिल्म मेकर्स हम लोग कोशिश यही करते हैं कि ये नहीं हो. कभी ना कभी कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा होता है. अच्छा, जैसे अभी मुंझा की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ. मुंझा में हम लोगों को कोई नया सरदार जी चाहिए थे, तो हम लोग पूरा ढूंढ रहे थे कहाँ से क्या करें. फिर हमको सडनली लगा कि अरे इंस्टाग्राम में एक ये लड़का का हम लोग रील काफ़ी देखते हैं, तो हमने कहा कि अरे हाँ ये अच्छा है, इसको हमने क्योंकि देखा हुआ है परफॉर्म करते हुए, खुल के करता है. एंड देन यू टेक इट ऑल्सो समटाइम्स, कि ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको इंस्टाग्राम में कोई सब कुछ फॉलोअर्स हैं तो सब खराब होगा. कभी ना कभी आपको वहाँ से जेम मिल जाते हैं. और बाला में जो आयुष्मान का भाई बना था वो मुझे इंस्टाग्राम से मिला. वो सिर्फ बीट बॉक्सिंग कर रहा था, बुम बुम बुम, कानपुर का. तो आई वाज जस्ट लुकिंग फॉर कानपुर का वो बीट बॉक्सिंग ऐसा करके कुछ कर रहा है. तो मैंने कहा यार ये कानपुर का तो रूप देखा ही नहीं है. मैंने उसको बुलाया, उससे बोला कि बात करो, ये करो. एंड मैंने बोला ठेठ कानपुरिया में बात कर. एंड आई फाउंड हिम देयर. सो ऐसा नहीं है कि यू डोंट फाइंड दीज great guys on Instagram followers कितने होंगे मुझे पता नहीं, but you find them there also.
No, today very big medium is Instagram. We find people from there, but उसके followers ज़्यादा हैं इसलिए उसको ले लो. वो
नहीं है.
पर बातें होती हैं ना, इसके फॉलोअर्स ज्यादा है तो why don't you like for a heroine's role if you have say 3 names and some bright person may say कि cast on the basis of the brands they have done or the Instagram, ऐसा हुआ है?
अभी तक मेरे साथ नहीं हुआ है, luckily.
नहीं मेरे साथ भी ऐसा ये बोल के, जो हीरोइन इतनी है, 3 हीरोइन है आपके पास, इनमें से देखो 3 है, अब इनमें से इसके फॉलोअर्स ज्यादा है, इसके कम है, तो आप ऐसे नहीं सोचोगे. आप पहली तो ऐसा नहीं होता है. मतलब ये हमको लगता है कि ऐसा होता है, बट ऐसा इतना भी हार्ड एंड फास्ट वो नहीं है कि जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ श्रद्धा के सबसे ज्यादा फॉलोअर्स है, राइट. तो हमने 83 मिलियन, बट ऐसा नहीं था कि स्त्री में श्रद्धा के फॉलोअर्स देख के हमने उसको वो किया था. वो हमारे प्रोड्यूसर का था कि है तुम्हारे पास ये, इसके लिए लेट मी टॉक टू श्रद्धा. मैंने कहा वो तो करेंगी, पता नहीं, हाँ लेट मी टॉक. वो जाके बात करके किया. और क्योंकि नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ द इंस्टाग्राम फॉलोअर्स, दैट्स बिकॉज ऑफ कि हाँ ये कैरेक्टर थोड़ा ऐसा गुफी जैसा है, एकदम देसी लगता है, मतलब एकदम आपकी नेक्स्ट डोर गर्ल लगती है, उस तरीके से कास्ट हुआ था वो. तो अब बोलने को बोल सकते हैं कि अरे तुम्हारे सबसे ज्यादा इंस्टाग्राम फॉलोअर्स है श्रद्धा को, तुमने इसलिए कास्ट किया, पर इसलिए नहीं किया था.
No, Nikhil, it's interesting to know your perspective because you came from a generation before social media, and Me too. And fortunately, we started using social media when all our mental faculties were very fully developed. I worry for the 13-year-olds and 14-year-olds who are using. But in terms of just the movie business, how has social media changed perceptions? And like I said, have you had to make those like not compromises, but have to make those adjustments because of all this?
For me, I was simple grouse. I keep saying it. When we used to hear that Amitabh Bachchan's film is releasing, we would go to Ganga Jamna and stand and wonder कि black में खरीदना है या current में मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा या advance में करना है कि नहीं. हमें कुछ समझ में नहीं आता था कि ये is going to be 50 weeks or 75 weeks or 100 weeks or ये क्या है क्या नहीं है. I mean, we went to see the film. We were fans of Mr. Bachchan and we went and saw the film. Liked, not liked, whatever, we came out and we went back in whatever, right? But I don't understand how the choice of going to watch a film today gets filtered by so many people, gets influenced rather by so many conversations of people who really have only agendas. They have only agendas, and
Can you give me a specific example?
no, in the sense that I mean, today most people are saying कि ये 100 crore वाली picture नहीं है 100 crore वाली picture नहीं है, बहुत अच्छी picture है, please जाके देखिए. This is a film which has got, I mean, it's what he's made an incredible film with 4 supremely support. I mean, Rajkumar Rao, Pankaj, Abhishek Banerjee, Apar Shakti Khurana, the heroes of that film, right? 100 crore it has done 1,000 crores, right? So I'm just saying, okay, of course there is history, of course there is a franchise, of course there's so much thing, but these guys are the. So my point is that this whole social media thing has just, people need to go back to just following their heart. People are watching the films with their heads. They're not watching the films with their hearts. We just went here. हम just गए. And if you speak to the so-called these marketing gurus and they themselves suddenly will turn around and say that there is no correlation between number of views into bums on seats. There's no correlation.
Absolutely.
कोई नहीं है यार. Suddenly word of mouth है. आपने 300 रुपया खर्च किया है, some WhatsApp group पे आपको मिला कि यार I saw this film.
Yeah.
It was fantastic. Please go and watch this film. That's how people used to go, And so that I feel is just the connection that a director had directly with the audience and a filmmaker and a storyteller had with the audience is now got several layers in between, which people will come and say ऐसा करना चाहिए, फिर ऐसा करना चाहिए, इसको ये करना चाहिए, you need to go over there, you need to do this, Amir doesn't do any marketing, man. His films are full. He is very clever. He was subliminally market करता है. He is genius. Subliminally marketing करता है. You are also right. 600 ads तूने किया है. The entire year of Dhoom 3, he wore that cap. That वो Darby hat जो है, जब भी वो बाहर गया, he wore that cap.
Yeah.
By the time the poster came out, you were ready. He's so correct, and he keeps saying, "ये क्या है? Why do people have to go for these things?" वगैरह वगैरह. It's benefiting them, not benefiting the film. It's not film. Trailer सब कुछ करेगा, आप decide करोगे और आप जाओगे या नहीं जाओगे. It's just that. And trailer always works, in my opinion.
Yeah,
Trailer always works. It's the truest connection you have to the audience.
You decide then only कि ये फिल्म क्या देखने वाली है, देखना चाहिए या नहीं देखना
That's
चाहिए.
the ultimate marketing tool, basically.
Yeah, nothing else. I mean, the trailer also, like Rishi Kapoor says, तूने बहुत अच्छा trailer बनाया.
Yeah. Like Nikhil, you really rediscovered yourself on the OTT with Rocket Boys and this. Is there a lot of difference? Like you made that lovely film with Kajol and I forget the other act. Yeah, Love Stories. Love Stories. Yeah. And I don't know if you've dabbled much with the OTT, but
I've done this film called Chor Nikal Ke Bhaga, which went to OTT.
Okay.
मतलब, हाँ,
Okay.
Produced.
So my question.
Super hitter
हाँ,
on Netflix.
yeah,
Very big hit.
yeah, I know.
My question is, OTT made the narrative more stronger than the characters. It didn't matter who, it saw a resurgence. We saw a resurgence of Manoj Bajpayee with Family Man. We saw so many wonderful, like when we did the OTT awards, I had not heard of Jaideep Palawat. And there was Jaideep Palawat winning the Best Actor award for Patal Lok. And then suddenly the next year there was Pratik Gandhi with The Scam. So a lot of new stars, the OTT. But as directors, like what is it about the medium that makes you all so what attract? I mean, you've made your I honestly think your best work with Rocket Boys and Freedom at Midnight, but what is the, is there some sort of different?
Just I think, I mean, no, in the sense that it's long form versus short form, sprint versus marathon. But for me, I find it extremely liberating. I just feel that I can actually push the envelope where I want to. And the most important thing now, Jitesh, is that I don't get scared of coming onto the set and changing everything. Like जो अमित बोल रहा था, come on the set and you've done a reading and you've done a workshop with actors and you've decided this scene will be played, this scene, and then you get onto the set and you suddenly say, what if we do the whole scene without any dialogue?
Yeah, exactly.
And they're actors. They're not scared. They're great actors. They're superb. Chirag Gora, who have just shot with Rajendra Chawla, shot with Arif Zakaria.
And so many times this happens. Yeah.
Jim, you enter, which I did with POW when I worked with Sandhya Mridul and with Rasika Duggal. When I work Coco, I don't have Konkana. I don't have bother. I can bother about everything else. I'll just tell Konkana, hey Coco, can we do it? Yeah. You want to try it like that? Yeah. Then I say, okay. She'll say, for me, it's okay for you. It's like that, right? So it's great. It's just very liberating. So you can really, really concentrate on a lot of the other stuff that you're not bothered that. So you can then get the details right and you get all those things right.
सर को 2 घंटे में जाना है,
हाँ,
ऐसा लगता है।
कोई नहीं है, कोई सर को 2 घंटे में कोई नहीं जाना है, उनको सब बैठना है, उनको काम नहीं है, तो बैठे हैं यहाँ पे, तो सिटिंग, घर भेजना है यार, चलो तू घर जाओ यार अभी, मैं कुछ बाकी सब नहीं करनी, so it's great fun, I enjoy myself, I thoroughly enjoy with OTT, yeah.
Amit, you have any inputs on this? What is this about the OTT? Like you did Love Stories, and you were working with this massive star Kajal who probably had cinema background. I mean baggage, not background, baggage, and then So how was that experience?
Experience was actually very, very good. It was so when Love Story came to me, I said,
like Kumoji, you want to really so evil, no? You. I mean, I've never seen that side of him.
I'll do it if I get a story which convinces me to make that film. Okay, मैं Love Story तभी करूँगा. So Ashi told me, yeah, please. So whenever you are ready. So I think I took maximum time to get my story there, which I said, okay, fine, this is what I will make. So the process was.
How did you convince Kajal?
Oh, it was. I actually didn't have to convince her. I just said that, just meet me. I want to narrate one script to you. And she said, okay, fine. I think after one day only, next day she called me. She said, come, we'll just do this narration. And she was sitting like this. After I finished the narration, she was sitting like this. Then I said, yeah, this is the end. This is the end of the film. Okay. Okay. I'll call you. 20 minutes later, she called me. She's like, I'm on. Let's do this. Let's make this. And she's fun on set. उनको तो मतलब पकड़ना पड़ता है कि मतलब अरे आप हंसना बंद करो, let's start shooting. She's amazing, like amazing. She's riot on a set. And also it was such a serious role. So I think my journey with OTT, and I produced a film called Trial Period. It's on Geo Cinema. It's been very good. It's been as of now, no restrictions have come in front of me which said कि इसको ऐसे मत करो, उसको वैसे मत करो, or the corporate structure which comes in front of you. That has not happened. So जितना भी किया है वो मजा ही आया करने के अंदर. And I'm absolutely agreeing with what Nikhil also said, that आपको पता है when you're shooting with just actors ना, आपको पता है कि मतलब वो मानव कौल क्या करेगा. In Trial Period आदमी ने फाड़ दिया. He's outstanding. So Manav Kaul, kind of an actor who is sitting in front of the camera, you would keep taking takes to have fun, क्योंकि आप वो हर टेक में कुछ नया देगा, वो हर टेक में ऐसा कुछ करेगा जो मजा आ जाएगा उसके अंदर. So I went very less on that shoot because Ale was directing it. When she directs, we all sit behind her and not saying, we don't say anything.
She's your business partner.
Yes, she's my business partner. So me, Hemant and Alia, we three. So has been good. I have not liked anything yet to direct in terms of a web series, in terms of a story. I've in fact just heard something which is just seeping inside me. If I make, I think I've found that one story which I would want to tell. Recently, I've just heard something. So let's see what happens at that time.
I've got a lot of
I got a lot of advice from lots of people. I think two pieces of advice, best pieces of advice I have, which I've actually made almost very. Aditya Chopra told me, build your foundations with the stones that people are going to throw at you. And because he's also lived by that, build the foundations with the stones that number one. Number two, Akshay Kumar, I told him, Seth ji, log वैसे बोल रहे हैं, Seth ji, ऐसा लोग बोल रहे हैं. He said, यार सुंडी तेरे फोन में कितने लोग का नंबर है? So I said, I don't know what you talk. Don't irritate me. What is this question? So he said, नहीं. बोला, I said, 500-600 होंगे मेरे फोन में. एक महीने में कितने लोग से तू बात करता है? Maybe 30. एक हफ्ते में 10. एक दिन में ऐसे 2 या 3. Regular. So those 2-3 people are the only people that you should be listening to. Nobody else.
Yeah,
Only
that's
those
true.
2-3 people matter.
Yeah, very good. Super.
Nobody else matters.
That's true.
That's true. Correct. So these are the best. I live by these things. Always about Adi said. I mean, and Akshay giving some kind of gyan is just beautiful. But yeah, he told me this. He said that, and you know, that's what I live by. You should live by this.
उनकी वैन में ही ज्ञान लिखा हुआ है.
Yeah, gyan
Go
guru.
into the-
Yeah.
क्या जैसे
This is what he did. That's it.
But that man has clarity. Akshay sir has clarity.
Absolutely. He
You know,
can't do
भाई
what he does if
ये-
he doesn't have.
ये है और ये है और ये ऐसा ही है. You know, so man has amazing clarity. You know, so I want to add on this thing. You know, my mother told me once a good piece of advice, which is she said, कि you know, don't be that tree जो ऐसा अकड़ में सीधा ऐसे करके खड़ा रहता है ठूंठ की तरह, जब आंधी आती है ना वो गिर जाता है. Be that tree जिसमें बहुत सारा फल लगता है और वो ना ऐसे फैलता है और उसको आंधी वांधी नहीं गिरा पाती. बट एक और चीज़ याद रखना, जिस पेड़ पे फल लगता है ना उसी पेड़ पे लोग पत्थर भी मारते हैं टू गेट दैट थिंग. सो सेम थिंग व्हाट आदि टोल्ड हिम. सो दैट्स, इफ यू रिमेंबर दैट, पुट योर फीट ऑलवेज ऑन द ग्राउंड. उठ के तो गिर जाओगे बेटा. दैट्स इट.
और चक्कर है, पता भी नहीं चलता कब उठ रहे हैं.
हाँ,
ये अगर पता चल जाए ना
नहीं,
कि
वो
कब
आप-
आपके पैर उठ रहे हैं,
पता क्या है, आप उठते नहीं हो, आपके आसपास के लोग आपको उठा देते हैं.
वही, उनसे दूर रहो.
दैट्स व्हाट इट इज.
निंदक नीरे राखी. मतलब
Keep them close by.
Like my best advisors are my 2 partners who tells me on my face, बकवास है, हटा, बहुत बकवास बना.
So
And you know,
you have people who call out your bullshit.
absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely. बधाई हो, my first audience was my dad. First audience was my father. The first offline, what I was seeing, मैं भी पहली दफ़ा ही देख रहा था शूट करने के बाद में. फर्स्ट ऑफलाइन जो पहला आप देखते हो ना, जिसमें आप खुद नहीं बैठे हो एडिट के ऊपर. सो मी एंड माई फादर watching, and my father did not even laugh on one joke. Okay, and I'm also not laughing. He's also not laughing. अब अभी मेरे को लग रहा है कि मैं इसलिए नहीं हंस रहा हूँ क्योंकि मुझे तो मालूम है, लेकिन मुझे लग रहा है कुछ गड़बड़ है, ये भी नहीं हंस रहे हैं, पापा भी नहीं हंस रहे हैं. Then after the film was over, he said, मज़ा नहीं आया. I think you need to do something in this. So I said, हाँ, I know what I have to do. I have to sit on the edit and log things.
बट पहला एडिट देखने के बाद लगता है करियर खत्म.
खत्म.
जो फर्स्ट एडिट आप देखते हो ना, अपना शूट करके आए हो, जो फर्स्ट लाइनअप देखते हो,
Yeah.
भाई पूरी बिस्तरा उठा के कारपेट वापस, ऐसा लगता है कि खत्म लाइफ. एंड देन आपकी नई जर्नी शुरू होती है उसको ठीक करने में, इसके अंदर बैठने में, यू नो.
I don't trust anybody who comes and sees my edit and says, "What a film, mind blowing, यार कुछ मत change करो, इसको हटाओ." I'm so suspicious of my own because I already know what are the problems in there. I want somebody to tell me.
Correct.
So reinforce to me that अरे मुझे भी ये लगा because I felt it. I know there's a problem. I'm trying to cover it. मैंने थोड़ा background music को थोड़ा उसको बढ़ाया है, थोड़ा उसको faster cut किया है, कुछ किया है. But I know this is a problem. And if somebody else catches it, I'm like, okay, there is a problem. ये
Correct.
problem है.
तो मैं तो दिखाता ही नहीं हूँ.
I'm not successful in hiding it.
मैं दिखाता ही नहीं हूँ. मतलब दीनू भी बोलते, मैंने कहा पहले मुझे अपना फाइनल करने दो कि मुझे अब इसमें इसके आगे कुछ नहीं काट सकता हूँ. ना राइटर को दिखाता हूँ ना किसी को दिखाता हूँ कि आपने देखा, आपकी ये दिखाया तो आपका करियर खत्म. तो मुझे इसको ठीक करना है। अब उस पर आप बैठे हो, काम कर रहे हो, आपका पूरा आपने छोटी कर दी, 3 घंटे से इसको 2 घंटे ले आइए, नहीं कि प्रोड्यूसर को दिखाएंगे उसके बाद 2 घंटे की करेंगे, वो नहीं, आपने छोटी कर दी, जितना आपको उड़ाना है उड़ा दिया। ये मेरी फाइनल फिल्म है, इसमें मैं और कुछ नहीं, अब मुझे ठीक लग रही है। अब नाउ प्रोड्यूसर विल कम, नाउ माय टीम विल, माय राइटर, अरे वो तूने वो काट दिया, अबे वर्क नहीं करा, छोड़, ऐसा करके देन यू हैव टू शो देम योर फाइनल कट। क्योंकि क्या होता है कि आप एज अ प्रोड्यूसर डायरेक्टर, अगर आप फ्रॉम द डे वन आप इन्वॉल्व हो, तो आपको पता ही नहीं कि प्रॉब्लम कहाँ है, क्योंकि आप भी उस जर्नी में साथ साथ हो। आपको पर्सपेक्टिव तब मिलेगा जब आपको पता है हाँ ये जो बोल रहे हैं ये तो मुझे भी पता है, यू नो, जो आपको पता है पहले आपको कर लो, फिर आपको कोई आंसर देगा कि भाई ये प्रॉब्लम है। फिर आप हो सकता है कोई डायलॉग आपने निकाल दिया, आपका राइटर बोलेगा भाई वो उसका मतलब ही नहीं बन रहा है इसका, एंड देन यू विल पुट इट। आप साथ में जर्नी में करोगे ना तो आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा क्या हो रहा है, तो इसलिए दिखाना है नॉट अ गुड थिंग। और वो जो फोकस ग्रुप होता है, आई समहाउ आई डोंट, नहीं मैंने हम लोग दिखाए बिकॉज ऑफ दीन, मुझे लगता था कि प्रोड्यूसर बोलेगा दिखाओ, बट नहीं दिखाते। आज तक मेरी एक भी फिल्म किसी और ने आके देख के ऐसा नहीं करी।
फोकस ग्रुप मतलब बधाइयों के लिए फोकस ग्रुप, प्रीति टोल्ड मी हम लोग 100 लोगों का फोकस ग्रुप कर रहे हैं, 1 इन दिल्ली, 1 इन मुंबई एंड 1 इन अहमदाबाद। सो आई सेड व्हाई, मैंने एडवर्टाइजिंग में सुना है आप ये सब चीज़ें यू नो फोकस ग्रुप वगैरह सब बिठाते ना, हेटेड इट बिकॉज अच्छी अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट्स निकल जाती हैं उसके अंदर, खराब स्क्रिप्ट्स ओके हो जाती हैं, अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट्स आउट हो जाती हैं एडवर्टाइजिंग में। सो आई सेड व्हाई वी डूइंग दिस, नो 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 इट वर्क्स इट वर्क्स। तो आई सेड ओके फाइन। अहमदाबाद का रेटिंग आया था सबसे लो, एंड अहमदाबाद इज नोन टू गिव यू ऑल द स्मॉल टाउन का जो आंसर, जो उनका जो रिपोर्टिंग है उस तरह से
stick for the small town.
हाँ दे विल लाइक या सो, तो उनका आया दैट नो बधाइयों विल पीपल सेड दैट दिस वी विल नॉट गो एंड वॉच विद आवर पेरेंट्स, so it is not a family movie for us. Wow. In Delhi and in Mumbai it when the film was flying, so I said release karo film ko, we'll see, releases. Small towns
Did well.
did well, like well.
So we
So-
we underestimate. We don't have a
Exactly.
formula for this. If there is a science, focus groups in the West and all, there's science behind it. There's no science
नहीं, sir.
as yet. I don't think so.
उनको पैसे देके अगर आप किसी को बोलोगे ना जज करो मेरी फिल्म,
वो तो हमेशा
वो पेपर लेके बैठे हैं, अच्छा इसको खराब बोलना है, इसको ये बोलना है,
human
उनका
nature
काम
है
है।
यार to
अगर नहीं
give.
करके देंगे तो अगली बार आपको बुलाओगे ही नहीं आप उनको।
Human nature है to give you advice. आप समझ ये करोगे.
उनको डायरेक्ट बोलो कि ये पिक्चर बनी, जाके पैसे देके देखो, तब वो देंगे तुमको करेक्ट एडवाइस कि मेरा पैसा यूज
मेरा पैसा involved है. He's got skin in the game.
Is there one film each of you would have loved to be a part of, like you would have loved to have directed? It could be Hollywood, it could be a Hindi film. I mean, I'm guessing all of you have grown up on Hindi movies. So is there some film you would have said, "Kash, agar main, if I had got such a film in my CV."
मैं उस समय पैदा नहीं हुआ था, लेकिन गोलमाल इज वन फिल्म व्हिच आई फील दैट यू नो, मैं वो अगर उस जमाने में अगर मैं पैदा हुआ होता तो आई वुड हैव लव टू असिस्ट यू नो ऋषिकेश मुखर्जी साहब, बिकॉज ही इज माय लाइक यू नो, मैं आई एम फैन ऑफ हिज वर्क बिकॉज he used to make comedy also, he used to make emotion also, amazing, like you know, small little story of a man trying to save his job, उतनी सी कहानी है ना कि एक आदमी अपनी नौकरी बचा रहा है और उसमें क्या क्या हो रहा है. सो आई थिंक कॉमेडी में what he used to do, he used to put you in a situation and no dialogues which would make you laugh. It was not a dialogue comedy, it was a situational comedy, and that is called actual comedy, you know, कि आपको डायलॉग डालकर हंसा दिया कि मतलब अरे हाँ ठीक हो गई. सिचुएशन में आप वो डायलॉग भी नहीं बोल रहे, आप कुछ उससे रेलेवेंट ही चीज बोल रहे हो और आप उस पर हंस रहे हो. आई थिंक दैट इज व्हाट दैट फिल्म आई वुड लाइक, मेरे लिए वो फिल्म है. चुपके यू नो, गोलमाल,
Superb.
अंगूर,
Oh.
you know, so these are the films which
Fab.
I feel. I was talking to Gulzar Saab about Angur, so he told me the stories how he made that film. Amazing, like outstanding.
Funnily enough, he was an assistant on a film called Do Duni Char, which is actually the basic source of
Golmaal.
Angur.
Angur.
It's actually Shakespeare's
Yeah,
play.
comedy of errors.
Comedy of errors,
Yes,
yeah.
दो फिल्में, एक रंगीला मुझे बहुत पसंद आई और दूसरी कहीं ना कहीं राम लखन. राम लखन इज काइंड ऑफ फिल्म जहाँ पे आपको ड्रामा किस तरीके से होल्ड कर रहा है. देयर इज अ कॉमेडी आल्सो, देन देयर इज अ सॉन्ग आल्सो, देयर इज अ वास्ट, ट्रकें चल रही हैं. आज हम सोचते हैं तो हम सोचते हैं कैसे बनाएंगे वो ड्रामा, हाउ विल यू होल्ड ड्रामा. मतलब आप आधा पॉइंट तो आप सोचते हो कॉमेडी में, चलो आप समझ जाते हो कि हाँ कॉमेडी करेंगे, यू विल कट इट। वहां पे ड्रामा चल रहा है, भाई भाई लड़ रहा है, माँ सिर्फ सिंदूर बॉक्स खोल रही है, यू नो, एंड यू आर स्टक टू इट, लाइक लुकिंग एट इट लाइक दिस, मुंह खोल के। सो समहाउ मुझे लगता है कि वो सिनेमा मुझे बहुत अट्रैक्ट करता था उस समय। वहां जाके कैसे बनाया जाता है, कैसे ऑडियंस को होल्ड करते हैं। दूसरा है रंगीला में
Superb.
जिस तरीके से वो फिल्म बनी है, आपको आपके सारे मापदंड ऑफ द सिनेमा चेंज हो गए। हीरो कैसा होगा, हीरो ऐसा बात करेगा, हाँ वो शहर आपको कैसा दिखेगा, आपको शहर दिखता है कैरेक्टर, यू नो, हीरोइन ऐसी है वो एकदम बिंदास रह रही है, कॉमेडी के सीन्स अलग है, क्लाइमैक्स में देयर इज नो डिशुम डिशुम, फाइट नहीं हो रही है, अरे ये क्या हो गया, तब भी आप देख रहे हो दुनिया। तो मुझे ये दोनों फिल्में वापस जाके मुझे लगता है कि अगर मुझे बनाने का मौका मिला, पता नहीं कैसी बनाऊंगा, खराब भी कर सकता हूँ, बट कोशिश करूंगा ये फिल्म।
Any film by Vijay Anand. Any film by what
Thief.
that man would do with, I mean, from Guide and Johnny Mera Naam, yeah, in the sense like any film by
Chetan Anand,
तीसरी
he was Chetan Anand.
तीसरी
Jewel
मंजिल
Thief
यार,
was Chetan.
Jewel Thief,
Was Vijay Anand.
Vijay
Vijay
Anand,
Anand,
yeah,
yes.
supreme, क्या करता था वो, too good.
So I hope you guys continue to hopefully maintain the purity and continue to have such wonderful moments. Thank you very much for being part of this conversation.
Thank you very much.